another mild day right across the country. But even so, there have been some sharp temperature contrasts, with Perth in Scotland seeing temperatures as high as 14 degrees in some sunshine, and Aberporth in South Wales around 7 in a fair amount of cloud, but a mild day right across the country. And the reason for that is mild air circulating around this area of high pressure, but that is going to change tomorrow as this cold front starts to bring much colder weather in behind it, particularly into the north and west during the course of the day. Tonight, though, is going to be mild everywhere, no frost, a fair amount of cloud around, although I think as we go through the night, that cold front starting to edge into Northern Ireland and western and northern Scotland, bringing some patchy rain by dawn tomorrow, as well as some gale-force winds from the southwest. We can see that cold front tomorrow morning up through Northern Ireland and also Scotland, and as we go through the day, it gradually pushes its way southwards and eastwards, pushing the milder weather down in towards the continent, bringing some very cold air in behind it. So for tomorrow then, we're also going to see some quite strong winds, particularly over northern Scotland, with some gales coming along, particularly in the latter part of the day from the west. Elsewhere, there'll still be a northwesterly wind, quite brisk in many areas. Tomorrow morning then, a fair amount of cloud covering the country, the thickest cloud in Northern Ireland and Scotland, with that patchy rain on the front, and it's going to be quite mild there, with temperatures up to around 10 degrees and further south around 9. But as we go through into the afternoon, that colder air starting to push in, starting to bring some wintry showers into much of Scotland, turning to snow over the higher ground. Further south over England and Wales, it's going to be fairly cloudy, but it will remain mild, and many places will be dry, just the odd spot of rain here and there in the east. As we go into Friday, the winds swing round to the north, bringing much colder air in from the Arctic, a bitterly cold day right across the country. Temperatures around 5 in the north and just around 6 in the south. And those wintry showers will continue over much of Scotland, the snow over the high ground, and 1 or 2 wintry showers down through the eastern coast, but many areas inland are going to be bright and